guys and welcome to a new video. Today we are here in Poland, in Lower Silesia, and we will experience some of the top-end vehicles of Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-AMG, Maybach, G-Class and also the manufacturer program. So this video will be filled with the top-end level from the Mercedes. Let's go and explore all the capabilities which Mercedes offers on the top. So in this video we will start with the AMG. In specific, I will show you the lineup which you will get in this video, and in the next video you can look forward for the manufacturer studio and AMG Pure Speed as well. So this is the AMG GT 63 Pro, then we have the E53 Hybrid Sedan Edition 1. Next we have the S63, this beautiful dark green metallic paint. Let me know which car is your favorite in the comment section down below. This one looks really great with the night package too, as well, as you can see, and lots of carbon fiber. Next we have the GLC 63S E-Performance in Verde Silver. Really nice old school modern type of color. So I really like this new shade on the GLC. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And then we have the legendary G63 in this amazing spec, which I will show you later. And also the GLS 63. Let me know if you would want to see video with the GLS 63 as well. So let's start with the GT 63 Pro, which I would say is the highlight of this group and also my favorite vehicle to drive out of all of these. And look at this spec. This looks absolutely fantastic in the manufacturer Patagonia red metallic, a really sort of deep cherry sort of color, cherry slash like a bright saturated red color, and also lots of carbon fiber, as you can see. Also for the Pro, the aero package is a part of the Pro version. Essentially on the top we have the GT63 Pro and GT63 E-Performance. Both of these have essentially the same price point, but this one is focused more, I would say, on the race capabilities, on the cooling, and its main purpose is the sport performance. Otherwise the E-Performance is more of a top-end straight line performer. So let me know in the comments what do you actually think about this one. Power for this one is 612 horsepower, up from the 585 in the 63. And you can see also different design in the front, these slats. For the 63 we have a more subdued design. This one is more aggressive, more racy, let's say. And also carbon fiber on the front lip. So this one is really beautiful spec in my opinion, looking really gorgeous. That's why I wanted to show this one in detail, this car, and I haven't yet featured the Pro version on the channel. So that's why I wanted to show in more detail this particular car. Also here we have these beautiful 21-inch wheels. You can get these either in matte black or in gold color. These are 295, 3021 at the front. Carbon ceramic brakes are also as a base version in the Pro. So the Pro comes really nicely loaded with some specs which you also can get for the 63, but in technical terms it also has additional improved cooling and much more ready for the racetrack. From the back I really appreciate how this car looks. Also the fixed wing is part of the Pro package, and in my opinion, for me this is what I like more, but without the wing of course it looks more elegant. Then you need to choose not the Pro version but some other version. Also lots of carbon fiber and these exhaust tips. Then we have also like a blade underneath the diffuser and also exhaust, and check out the carbon fiber on the wing. So this is full carbon car, looks really sick and really out there in your face, which I really think looks magnificent with the carbon fiber. Then we have also V8 Biturbo badge for Matic Plus. So this car has AMG SPEEDSHIFT MCT 9G combined with the beautiful engine. This is not the mild hybrid, this is a pure combustion version of the vehicle. So let me know what you think, and also check out here the interior. We'll check it out shortly. So here we have the AMG Performance seats, really nice with the Nappa leather and microfiber in the middle. So this will give you much more support for your driving. They're a little bit stiff, I would say, than the standard seats, but looking gorgeous. Also the door cards, microfiber, lots of it. And also the lower dash in the microfiber. So as we know, microfiber means more racy material, so less reflection, this sort of stuff. Also on the steering wheel, microfiber combination, once again with the carbon fiber, so everything is tied together. Also with the interior specs, the exterior carbon and also the interior. So let me know, guys, what you think about this combination. Microfiber really suits this car. Also this part is in dark chrome, really out there, and I would say this is a spec which I really like. And let's also open the sunroof. So now we have much more sunlight in the cabin, and this is a spec which is worth to consider, I would say. Also with the red seat belts tying together the exterior Patagonia red color. So yeah, this is just 10 out of 10 for me. So here we are on the road with the leading car, the GT63 Pro. So let's hop inside and experience it. So behind the steering wheel, the feeling is really amazing. As with the 63, this one is a little bit more focused as well. This portion of the forest is also part of the rally competition stage. Some really amazing corners. Now we have a sound check. The sound is really amazing in person. Loud exhaust pops. And then we have this amazing stop here in the forest on this road. Check out the cobblestone. It's looking so nice. And it's also a little bit slippery if you want to be. Okay, so next is the GLS 63. So this is a the biggest SUV which Mercedes offers in this beautiful emerald green metallic, this deep green. It's very elegant, and I think many people will love the elegance of this green, deep green metallic paint. Let me know what you think, and we will experience also the performance driving. This time I will sit in the passenger seat. And guys, let me know if you want me to drive a dedicated GLS 63 video. Let me know in the comment section down below. we have a G63 AMG. This is a car which I was driving, but I didn't record the driving itself because I was already driving this car before in a really in-depth manner, so check it out on the channel. But I wanted to show you this spec because I think it looks really great, also with the carbon fiber. And what I really like, we have matte black exterior, and on the interior we have a full leather interior, two-tone with the black and the red, diamond stitching on the headliner, and on the seats this is a really top spec. And also from the outside it looks really magnificent in my opinion. Also here on these guards is a carbon fiber, really sweet detail, also on the spare wheel cover in the back. So yeah, this is also once again too much carbon, but I really love it. G63 in black, so nicely hidden. And also check out here, this small trim is in carbon fiber once again, so this is essentially as much carbon as possible. Also in the door handle on the inside there is a carbon and this beautiful diamond stitching here as well, so this is so nice. Let me know your thoughts on this spec in the comment section down below. Next we have the GLC 63S. In this one I was a passenger. This is a verde silver, really nice new or old school color, and with this spoiler on the top it looks really nice. The last vehicle which I experienced and drove was the S63 Performance, the top dog in the S-Class category, also in this very nice green metallic paint, emerald green. But this one has a grey leather Nappa interior, which looks also very interesting and intriguing. Let me know your thoughts once again in the comments. Carbon fiber interior trim, and also on the outside, look at this, how it looks with the night package too. Really aggressive S-Class. And here with the carbon fiber on the intakes in the front, really top in terms of the specs. Feeling in the S63 is just amazing. It's really agile, but also a huge limousine, quiet. It's so unique in terms of the experience. Let me know which car is your favorite out of all of these in the video. For me it is the GT63 Pro, a clear choice for me. Make sure to subscribe so you can see next video with the manufacturer studio and the AMG Pure Speed, one of 250 vehicles in the world, limited edition.